Guys, we got a 2007 Acura TL Type S. Gotta remember that. Sport. Does it stand for sport or speed or supercharge? Yeah. Anyways, as you guys can see, we did something really special on this. We true dueled it. It's the only one on YouTube that is actually true duel. As you guys can see, with 1 3/4 pipe, because he wanted it to scream. So we got you, man. I told him we got you. So we straight piped the true duels all the way back. By the way, the cats are up there, guys. So don't think it doesn't have cats. They're manifold cats on this. It is a V6. So there you go. All the way back. And then we did a muffler delete earlier in the year, or somebody else did. We didn't do it. That's not our work, sorry. I don't know why I said that. That's crazy. But as you guys can see, true duel. True to the word. Anyways, then it's got quad tips out the back. Right there. And right there, carbon fiber tips. That's where it widened to 1 before. You guys can see, and that was, we did it earlier in the year. We just changed out the middle piece, but it wasn't loud enough, so we cut out all the restriction, because if you guys see, it's really restricted. The old Y pipe here, and then where it Y's out again over here is really restricted. It barely had any flow. We can't have that, so we true dueled it. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, make sure you subscribe. You can tell it's already louder.
Damn, that shit hella loud.
God. Damn. Loudest Acura? Again? 123. You happy, man? Again? That sucker's loud. So you want them loud? True duel them like this, guys. Only at Exhaust Addicts.
Yes, sir. What the boss said.
What's up, Exhaust Addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Oh, Gold Star is going to be crazy. He's representing, as always, Exhaust Addicts, baby. Come get you guys a sticker. I'll let you guys hear it close up. Go ahead. So loud. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Give me one more.
Acura TL, loudest in the state. 123. That's crazy. We made a true duel. The only true duel you'll see on this channel from Acura.